Come close. हाँ. Okay. मैम आप.
ये ब्राइड है.
Okay, sorry.
ये उनकी ब्राइड है.
चलिए ओके मैं निकलता हूँ
चले.
Bye all.
सर वन सिंगर सोलो. सिंगल सोलो. बेटा वेट. आ जाए सर. लुक यार.
वो तो भाई बोलने के लिए आ रहे हैं यार शॉट खिंचवाने थोड़ी आ रहे हैं सर सर
सर वेट लेफ्ट साइड टर्न. लेफ्ट साइड.
लेफ्ट साइड में कौन सा प्रोफाइल देता है
थैंक यू सर.
आइए मैम
फोटो ही नहीं है. अरे निकालने बोलो. वेट. यस. सर आज मैडम आज
Also, we have more people from the press, so you can come inside. People from the press, if you could quickly come inside, please.
थैंक यू मैम.
हाँ तो और कौन था इसका
या मैम यहाँ पे. उन पकड़ने के लिए.
एक
मैम लाइक दिस.
क्वेश्चंस टू मी और टू रोशनी. क्या क्वेश्चन है?
वन सेक डॉक्टर शांतला को भी आने दो. कम ना डॉक. हिंदी में कि इंग्लिश में? I think there are very few places which are not just hospitals but care for maternity and childbirth. You know, a general hospital may, when you're a pregnant woman, you walk into a general hospital, you see people who have had accidents, people who are suffering from terminal diseases. As a pregnant mother, it can really affect you and make you feel quite scared of the medical experience of having birth. So it's really nice that Cloud9 has come up with a place which is specifically only for maternity and child delivery and child care. And you know, I think their motto is great, which says that it's not just it's not an illness, it's a wellness. I have felt the most fit and the most well and healthy when I was making a baby, because I think that's the most power that a woman has. And thank you to Dr. Shantala for giving me such an amazing experience of birth with my child and helping me be a happy and good mother. And thank you to Cloud9 for providing that facility in Bombay. And I'm so happy there in Andheri, क्योंकि अब लोगों को travel नहीं करना पड़ेगा ज़्यादा to go to Malad. Even people from Bandra, even people from town, I would encourage them to come and have the Cloud9 experience, especially with Dr. Shantala.
Thank you so much.
आपका कहना से आपने शेयर करना चाहेंगे इस तरह की फैसिलिटी एक छत के नीचे मतलब मिल रहा है लोगों को, तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, हिंदी? No, English. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I think basically this is a amazing part about being on Cloud9. It's actually people are on Cloud9, they say. So it makes you feel very happy, you know, the little things that the founders have thought of, like, you know, having a dinner after having a baby, you know. So this makes the couple come close, gives them a special touch, sending them home in a car decorated with balloons, you know. Little things, they make them feel so special that, you know, having a baby is a joyful thing. It's not you go to hospital to have a delivery. It's you go and birth and you come home with a joy. So that's the beauty of being on Cloud9.
I would like to say about the medical part of Cloud9. We say pregnancy is wellness, not an illness. But it doesn't mean that we are there only for wellness and wellness. We are prepared for anything. So we got a state of the art facility which is backed up by NICU. जो पूरी डॉक्टर्स की टीम है राउंड द क्लॉक. हमारे पास 7 न्यूनेटोलॉजिस्ट हैं जो राउंड द क्लॉक छोटे छोटे बेबीज़ को.
And can I just add that
Please.
they have the best pediatric doctor, Dr. Indu Khosla. मेरे दोनों बच्चे उनके पास जाते हैं and I would not trust them with anyone other than her. So I'm so happy that she's also joined Cloud9 because अब मेरा रिश्ता is not only for delivery but even after the delivery to have Dr. Indu Khosla there is a really, really amazing thing for us. And she's right here. Please come. Come, say hi, show them. This is the person who looks after my babies and I trust her with my babies and she's amazing. So, yeah.
So I have just joined Cloud9 recently and I think I feel on Cloud9 too. It's a wonderful place and I see a lot of satisfaction in people's eyes who deliver here, and it's a wonderful feeling for a doctor that their patients are satisfied.
I don't think there are many places in the city which has got a team of doctors round the clock working for the patients. So Dr. Shantala, Dr. Nikhil, Dr. Meghna, Dr. Vibha, Dr. Radhika, Dr. Indu, Dr. Piyush, they have got our 24/2 backup team also to support them. So any given time, 24/7, patient is in front of a doctor. So patient is never out of sight of a doctor. So that is the type of safety as far as patient care is concerned we provide. Thank you so much.
Where is Dr. Meghna? थोड़ा स्प्रेड हो जाए, स्प्रेड हो जाए.
Yeah. सब पीछे.
Come close, come close.
राजा.
Look there, look there.
Left corner. Hello you.
Thank you so much.
No, I don't think lifts.
Yeah.
यहाँ देखो, excuse me, can we take
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. राजा कुछ है?
This is why it takes so long to get ready, you see, because then all the flaws will show up. It's
बेटा इधर आ.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Take care, walk slowly.